This is the moment in every video shoot. This is how you bring it to life. This is pure perfection. And this is RGKit Play, a motion control kit, but much more than a motion control kit. Move your design and camera with these motors and accessories. Control it all with your phone. Go round, back and forth. Almost fall, but don't. You name it. So whether you're an amateur or a pro, you could create these experiences in your studio, at your home, on your very own desk. To make this easy, here's what we did. There were too many wires, we took that out. A set of wireless modules and a phone app for every movement. Engineered the driver board to create motion stability. Bye-bye jitters. Designed loads of accessories for tons of movement with one motor. And this one here controls light, among other things. Interactivity, we added a sensor for that, so you can have access to an all-inclusive tool to bring your ideas to life.
The fusion between the hardware and the software seamlessly becomes part of your design process. So you just plug in the modules, and they automatically sense each other and connect to your phone wirelessly. On RGKit app, you can control all the modules with zero line of code. So here, you have two modes. Manual, where you can control all the modules in real time, and auto mode, when you can create a sequence of movement on the app. You can play around with the speed, acceleration, duration, and a lot more. And when you click play, the sequence starts automatically. To make RGKit Play even more versatile, we created RGKit Play accessories. All made of metal, CNC machined, laser cut with very high precision, and coated to give you this playful finish.
The possibilities are remarkable. In your stop motion, you can choreograph an entire sequence. Connect this to that, and finish before your deadline. And instead of your interactive concept only existing on paper, it can be in an actual exhibition. An actual exhibition. Sync your light, subject, and camera movement like a pro. Have full control over the movements and take a video like this.
We have been working with high-speed brands for the last couple of years, and this year, we decided to follow our dream of making RGKit Play accessible for all creatives. We created hundreds of prototypes, iterations, wrote endless lines of code, worked with high-quality production factories, and we just need enough orders to start our first production batch. You can order yours now on Kickstarter and choose from different rewards. With your support, we can make this happen and open the doors for all creatives to play with movement like a pro.
This is RGKit Play.
You don't need to touch your devices anymore. A new way to control your smart device with maximum ease. We introduce to you the world's most easy-to-use and convenient AI mouse, Snowl. Snowl is a ring-shaped contactless human interface that allows you to control your smart devices such as tablets more easily. Using the Air Mouse mode, you can control your devices just with your finger, and when you press and hold the middle of touch sensor for 2 seconds, the mouse changes into the gesture mode. In the gesture mode, you can freely control your devices using 8 intuitive gestures. Using Snowl, you can become a versatile and eye-catching presenter. You can control any device you need for your presentation. Using Snowl, you can enjoy your mobile games in 3-dimensional space as if you're in a virtual reality. You can also connect it to your TV and enjoy all kinds of exciting content through a big screen. Snowl's 9DOF sensor and machine learning system learns and precisely analyzes the user's finger gestures. 3D spatial coordinates movement measured by the 9DOF sensor are sent to your smart devices in real time so you can control those devices using just simple finger gestures. The Snowl software also allows gesture customization. The machine learning engine equipped in Snowl will learn your gestures and allow you to control your devices freely and precisely. Snowl is a contactless gesture-based interface that is more evolved than your other devices with touch interfaces. You'll be able to control any smart device just by using simple finger gestures. You can freely move the cursor, click, zoom in, and swipe using finger gestures. You can connect multiple devices to your Snowl and control them freely. Snowl also comes with a charging cradle. This special cradle not only charges your Snowl, but can also be used as a joystick mouse. Light, comfortable, easy-to-use finger mouse that helps you control any smart device. Snowl is an innovative controller perfect for the coming era of virtual reality. Snowl.
It's time to get rid of the bulky one. Meet K3, the world's first wireless mechanical keyboard that comes with hot swappable low-profile optical switches. Thanks to the innovative low-profile switch, which is 40% slimmer than a conventional mechanical switch, the K3 is one of the thinnest wireless mechanical keyboards ever. Yet, it still offers a remarkable mechanical keyboard tactile response to enhance your productivity. We've redesigned the Keychron low-profile mechanical switch with an MX stem to enhance its reliability and make it easily compatible with future possible alternative keycaps on the market. A similar idea is also implemented on the Keychron low-profile optical switch, so you can type and play at lightning speed with these durable switches. Customize your typing experience for every key by swapping out optical switches in seconds without soldering. Just pop them in and it's done. Doesn't matter if you're drafting an email, writing a novel, gaming, or whether you prefer linear, clicky, or light bump in between, we've got you covered. Designed for both Mac and Windows, the K3 is perfect for multitasking. You can connect the K3 with up to 3 devices via the latest Bluetooth 5.1 chip and switch amongst devices with ease. Or connect it to a device with a Type-C cable. The popular 75% layout allows easy access to all the essential keys, but still compact enough with a streamlined aluminum body. Plus, it comes with 15 RGB backlight settings that can always sync with your mood. The K3, your ultimate compact wireless mechanical keyboard.